CBSE class 10 exercise 6.6 question number 5. In the figure given, AD is the medians of AC, ABC, triangle ABC, and AM is perpendicular to BC. Prove that. Question number 2. AB square is equal to AD square minus BC into DM plus BC by 2 whole square. Question number 1 already proved, that is why I proved question number 2. Here given AM is perpendicular to BC and AD is equal to median. You have to prove AB square is equal to AD square minus BC DM, BC into DM plus BC by 2 whole square. Now take proof. Let us prove it. In triangle AMD, this is a right angle triangle. In right angle triangle AMB, in right angle triangle AMB. So applying Pythagoras theorems, AB square AB square, that is perpendicular square, is equal to base square is equal to BM square plus perpendicular square is equal to AM square. So AB square is equal to BM square, that is BM square. In the proof there is no BM, that is DM, this distance is there. So BM will be replaced by DM. So that is BM is equal to BD minus MD. BM is equal to BD minus MD. That is BM is equal to BD minus MD. This distance minus this distance is equal to this distance. Okay. So that is why square plus AM square. And we have to prove DM. So in place of BM we will replace DM. How we will do it? BD minus DM. Okay. So now AB square is equal to A square means BD square plus B square means MD square minus 2AB means BD into MD plus AM square. Again in triangle AMD is a right angle triangle at the point M. So applying Pythagoras theorems, MD square, here MD square plus AM square, here AM square is equal to MD square plus AM square is equal to AD square. So in place of MD square AM square we will write AD square. So next step, AD square plus BD square plus AD square minus this 2 means AD square minus twice BD into MD, okay, is equal to BD square BD square BD square minus BD square AD square BD square plus sorry BD square that is BD square. This is your BD square. D is the midpoint of AB BC. D is the midpoint of BC. Therefore DB is equal to DB is equal to BC by 2. BC by 2 whole square. DB is equal to BC by 2 because D is the median, therefore D is the midpoint of BC. Therefore we can write DB square is equal to BC by 2 square plus AD square minus twice BD means BC by 2 into MD. 2 cancel out, that is equal to AD square minus BC, here is BC into MD, BC into MD, okay, BC into MD plus BC by 2 whole square. This is your BC by 2 whole square. This is your AD square. This is your BC into MD. This AD square. This is AD square. This is BC. This is your DM. This is MD or DM. This is your BC by 2 whole square. This is BC by 2 square. Proved. So question number 3 now proved. Question number 3. Question number 3 is there AC square plus AB square is equal to twice AD square plus half BC by 2 whole square. Now add these two equation 1 and 2. For solving equation 3, this equation 3, add equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 and 2 which already proved, that is equation 1 and 2 AB square plus AC square. If you add equation 1 and 2 add left hand side AB square plus AC square, that is AB square plus AC square. Equation 1 and 2 AB square plus AC square plus twice AD square, AD square twice AD square is equal to twice AD square twice AD square. This is AD, right hand side AD twice AD square, and this is a plus BC dot into DM, BC into DM. This is minus plus cancel out, that is half means 1/4 BC by 2 whole square, that is 1/4 BC by 1/4 plus 1/4 BC square, 1/4 BC square plus 1/4 BC square is equal to half is equal to twice AD square plus half BC square root. So BC by 2 whole square means 1/4 BC square. Here also BC by 2 whole square means 1/4 BC square. When we add this 1/4 BC square, 1/4 BC square, that is half BC square, that is AD square twice AD square, and left hand side AB square plus AC square, that is AB square plus AC square is equal to AD square, that is twice AD square plus half BC square, half BC square proved. So very easy sums next time.